Sasaran.
Jai Jai, please sit.
Two great personalities from the defense with us. Captain S.V. Joshi sir from Indian Navy and Group Captain
Okay, fine, good. See, well, I'll give a little introduction about myself. You know, whenever I interact with youngsters like you, it takes me back to 1991. I was like one of you way back in 1991. As in the introduction a little bit has been told that I am also from 10+2 technical entry. I am sure you guys know that 12 के बाद there are 2-3 entry pathways. It's just not NDA, it is got NDS from Naval Academy, and also you have got 10+2 technical entry for Navy and Army. Right? So these are the 4 entry pathways that you have after your 12th exam. So why ask you PCM? Because PCM base is important. For Navy and Air Force, your PCM base is important. Without science in class 11 and 12, you are not eligible for straightway 10+2 technical Navy and Air Force. Army. Straightway, you are out. Number one. Number two, if you don't have PCM, when you join NDA, you are eligible only for the Army branch. Though it's a tri-service thing. बट जब आप ऑप्शन दोगे आपके 4th टर्म में, तब आपको सिर्फ आर्मी ही मिलेगा. सपोज आप में से कोई कॉमर्स है, ह्यूमैनिटीज है, 11th 12. No one is stopping anyone from giving an NDA exam. And it's not that कि जिन्होंने कॉमर्स किया है, ह्यूमैनिटीज किया, वो लोग NDA की एग्जाम पास नहीं करते. ऐसी बात नहीं है, ठीक है. बट उनका ऑप्शन जो होता है नेवी और एयरफोर्स का, वो नहीं होता. सिमिलरली जो NDA के साथ स्ट्रोक NA करके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है, दैट NA इज नथिंग बट नेवल एकेडमी एट एजिमला. Right? So Naval Academy is set up at Ezimala in North Kerala. So वहाँ पे भी you need 11-12 PCM. So I am happy that आप लोग यहाँ पे जो PCM बेस कर रहे हो, उसके कारण आपके options are all open now. Right? If you are not having PCM, then your options get limited. That's point number one. So way back in 91, I was like one of you. I was somehow clear that I wanted to do engineering. So fair enough, I did reasonably well. And I got into an engineering college at Sangli. Anyone from Sangli here? Close by? Sangli? Anyone? No. Fine. I joined Walchand for around 3-4 months. But then this SSB came in of 10+2 technical, followed by medical, followed by meritorious. And I decided obviously once you get a chance, you need to join. I mean, just everything is second. My elder brother was RMC. RMC कितने लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा? राष्ट्रीय इंडियन मिलिट्री कॉलेज देहरादून. Yeah? आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा. Yeah. So my elder brother was RMC Dehradun, followed by NDA. So he was the RMC NDA thing, and he was in the Navy for 21 years. He tell me what Navy is all about. Anyone, come on, चलो बताओ. आप Navy जब सोचते हो या सुनते हो आपके बारे में दिमाग में क्या आता है?
Navy is a thing that protects from the water.
Okay.
The water that protects to our country.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So all of you know, roughly if you see the map of India, it is like this, right? Right? So what do you have here? Which portion you have? What is here? What is here? What is it? So geography. This is Bengal, Indian Ocean. Excellent. Good. Your geography is good. Okay. So what happens is, if you see, there is a huge amount of water body all around our landmass. Yes or no? Yes. So what are the 3 services? Army, Navy, Air Force? Yes, sir. So now what is left here is your entire landmass is where your army comes in, right? And this entire airspace is what Air Force is all about, right? So you have to be, protected from all the 3 elements: the land, the air, the water. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Right? So that is where the spy services have come in. I mean, there are other auxiliaries also like Coast Guard, Border Security Force, there are Assam Rifles, there are a lot of auxiliaries which come in. But predominantly the 3 main services, when you talk of defense services, it is Army, Navy, Air Force. Right? So that's where the Navy comes in. As you rightly brought out, the Navy has got a role of not only deterrence, it has got a role of ensuring that no one attacks us. So you are not only in the defensive, you are in the offensive mode also. So that's applicable for all aspects. Whether it's Army or Air Force, it's just not about deterrence. It's just not about detecting the threat that is coming and then looking at it. No, it is about offensive. Uri कितने लोगों ने देखी? How many have you seen Uri? Nice. Like, gives a perspective. क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में क्या होता है, आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स बोलेंगे यूनिफॉर्म जैसे इसने पहना हुआ है, सैल्यूट हो गया, मार्चिंग हो गया, दैट इज फाइन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पोस्टर बॉय और अ पोस्टर गर्ल. इट लुक्स नाइस ना, स्ट्राइकी, राइफल हियर, गॉगल्स हियर, यहाँ से हेडफोन आ रहा है, हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड, इट इज नाइस, दैट्स पोस्टर बॉय पोस्टर गर्ल. बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज बिहाइंड दैट पोस्टर बॉय पोस्टर गर्ल व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ टू रीच दैट पोस्टर बॉय पोस्टर गर्ल इमेज बहुत जरूरी है. इसलिए आपका ये जो अभी सेटअप है यहाँ पे, दिस इज वेयर योर प्रिलिमिनरी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट्स. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू हैव जॉइंड दिस प्लेस विद द ड्रीम इन योर आईज दैट यू वांट टू क्रैक इनटू योर डिफेंस एंट्री somehow. Either it's going to be either NDA or the Naval Academy or 10 plus 2 Tech Navy or 10 plus 2 Tech Army. Whatever the case may be, depending upon how you do well in academics, how well you do in your entrance exam, and then subsequently the most important part is Service Selection Board, SSB. SSB के बारे में कितने लोगों को पता है? How can anyone just give me roughly what is SSB all about? Yeah, go ahead.
So it is a selection process in which the candidate is selected for the variety of services like Air Force, Navy and
Okay, it's a selection process, but what happens? What is the whole crux of SSB? How is it different? Yeah.
so crux of it is like Mansa Vacha and Karmana. Mansa Vacha and Karmana
Okay.
means how we speak and how our thoughts are and how our actions are.
Good. Nice. Does anyone know what is the rough program of SSB? मतलब what happens? एक दिन का होता है, 2 दिन का होता है, 5 दिन का होता है. Absolutely brilliant. So what happens on day 1? PPDT and OIR क्या होता है? One by one. Someone, yeah, go ahead. What is OIR? Anyone who knows? You are not very sure. Good. Your chances are. Anyone this side knows about OIR? Anyone this side? No sweat. देखो, एक चीज याद रखना लाइफ में, whether you are in armed forces or anywhere else in life, wherever you go, one thing you should always remember: never have a false sense of ego. उसको हम pseudo ego बोलते हैं ना. Never have a false sense कि मुझे सब पता है, या फिर नहीं पता है तो मैं कैसे पूछूं? नहीं पता है तो पूछो. ठीक है? So there is no harm. If you don't know. But you should always try to find out. ठीक है? What is important is you are trying to find out rather than just saying that I don't know. Right? Fair enough. OIR is said. Anyone knows this said OIR? 12, class 12. आप लोग दे रहे हो NDA के एग्जाम? दे रहे हो ना? No, yes, no. Can't hear. Not sure. Yes sir. अप्रैल का एग्जाम दे रहे हो? फॉर्म भरा हुआ है पक्का? Very good. Okay. This side OIR anyone? Apart from इसमें क्या कहते हैं? ऑफिसर इंटेलिजेंस रेटिंग क्या होता है मतलब?
क्वेश्चन होते हैं जो रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन होते हैं वो.
So basically, it is sort of an assessment on a verbal and non-verbal assessment of some basic questions in trying to find out that whether you have that basic IQ, जो हम IQ बोलते हैं ना, intelligence quotient, whether you have that basic IQ, right? जैसे आपको odd man out बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. जैसे अभी हम लोग ऐसे 3 बैठे हुए हैं, एक 4th ब्लू शर्ट में है, तो वहाँ बोलेंगे who is the odd person out. तो आपको वो क्लिक होना चाहिए कि the blue shirt is odd person out. You understood the point? So verbal and non-verbal. Verbal means about language, about the grammar, parts of speech. कितने parts of speech होते हैं? English medium. 8. Very good. Now suppose someone gives you some word and they say okay identify parts of speech. उसमें आपके 3 noun है, एक verb है. You must know which is the verb and which is the noun. ठीक है? So it is basic. It is not rocket science. उसका नाम दिया हुआ है OIR. Oh, it looks big. OMG, like oh my god. No, it's not like that. It's OIR. ठीक है? So first day आप जब जाते हो तो आपका एक PIQ करते हो, पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है? उसके ऊपर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट है, वो आपको ऑनलाइन में मिलता है. आई एम श्योर दे विल बी हैविंग इट. सो आप उसमें जो डाटा डालते हो, दैट इज द बेसिक information. Like if I am in the SSB center, आपको मैं ये फॉर्म दूंगा, तो जब फॉर्म मेरे पास आएगा उसमें आपका पूरा हिस्ट्री जोग्राफी मेरे को समझ में आ जाएगा यदि आपने सही लिखा है. यदि आपने कुछ उसमें स्मार्ट एक्ट मारा है तो अगले 1-2 दिन में मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि इसमें स्मार्ट एक्ट मारा. ठीक है? सो दैट PIQ, द फर्स्ट पार्ट, पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इट इज जस्ट बी फिल्ड अप एब्सोल्युटली डिलीजेंटली and absolutely truthfully. right? Then comes your first day. हम हमेशा सुनते हैं ना स्क्रीन आउट हो गए, 2 वर्ड सुनते हैं हम, स्क्रीन आउट हो गए या कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हो, right? These are 2 words we keep listening. I mean, the people who clear, they clear. Those who don't clear, they will only tell you two things: screen out, stroke conference. Now, screen out happens on day 1. Because, for example, around 300-350 boys and girls land up of the SSB center, whichever the center may be. It may be Bhopal, Bangalore, Mysore, anywhere, Calcutta, wherever they land up. So, suppose आज आपका फर्स्ट डे है, तो ऐसे ही 300 लोग बैठे रहेंगे, आपका OIR हुआ जाएगा, किया जाएगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद आपका PPDT है, ठीक है? PPDT is again, I mean, I am not here to tell you the, each and everything in detail, but ये दोनों जब एनालिसिस होता है, जो यहाँ इस टेबल के इस तरफ जो टीम बैठी रहती है, those who are handling SSB center, when they analyze that is the time they can figure out that whether that person is making the cut or not. क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चंस OIR में है और जिस तरह PPDT का एनालिसिस होता है, जो डीब्रीफ होता है, that is absolutely crystal clear. It's a very scientifically proven method wherein you can very easily find out who can make the cut and who should go to stage 2. So आपका main focus obviously has to be your day 1. The day 1 has to be important. And now the day 1 is what it's not about कि सर ने आपको सैटरडे को बिठाया या वेडनेसडे को बिठाया या इवनिंग 6 to 8 बिठाया और आपसे 2 क्वेश्चन ऐड करवा लिए, PPDT करवा लिया, कुछ वर्बल नॉन वर्बल आपको साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट दिए. It's not that. It's about you people here sitting around here. You don't need them. You don't need them. What you need is the friends around here. You have to pull yourself and you have to pull yourself. That is important. You don't have to come in a class and अच्छा आज PPDT है तो देखा एक पिक्चर उसको भी लिखा, फिर एक सर ने अपना पर्सपेक्टिव दिया, ओके दिस इज द पर्सपेक्टिव. नो, that's not the point. Your point is you have to get involved. All of you sitting here, if you are looking at clearing this exam and clearing this SSB, medical is a different ball game altogether. इनका मेडिकल के बारे में भी मतलब स्ट्रोक योर 10+2 टेक्निकल एंट्री जिसमें आपका PCM परसेंटेज रहता है, आपका JEE मेन का स्कोर रहता है. इफ यू वांट दैट टू हैपन, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर एकेडमिक. देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, बट यू हैव टू टेक इट वन स्टेप अहेड. इट्स नॉट SSB प्रिपरेशन इज नॉट दैट कि आज जैसे बोर्ड का एग्जाम खत्म हुआ, से 10th March, okay 11th March onward I will start preparing for SSB. It doesn't happen that way. Your preparation starts now. That's why you have enrolled here. That's why you have come all the way from different places of Maharashtra and someone from outside Maharashtra. Why? You have come here to get an environment. What is that environment? They are not the environment. Environment is you people. You sleep in the dormitories together, you eat together, you play together, you sit in classroom together, right? Do your masti. But what is important is have that in you. It has to come from within. हम कितना भी बोल ले कोई फायदा नहीं, मैं कितना ही बोल के जाऊँ, सर कितना ही बोले कोई फायदा नहीं. आपको अंदर से वो प्रेरणा आनी चाहिए. आपको फील होना चाहिए कि मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ या आई हूँ तो मेरे को कुछ यहाँ बन के जाना है. Understood? That type of fire has to be in your belly, as we call it in armed forces. Fire in the belly. You know, that's the term we use. You have to have fire in your belly. आग लगनी चाहिए आपको कि कैसे दूसरा बंदा या दूसरी बंदी कैसे क्या क्लियर होके गई. आप देखते हो क्या न्यूज़पेपर में आएगा ना, 300 लोग तो क्लियर होते ही हैं. हर 6 महीने में 300-350 लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं, राइट? हाउ, व्हाट इज ग्रेट अबाउट हर और हिम दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू? That great is nothing great. It is about the fire in your belly. Please remember this. You have to be absolutely strong at it. You should know that this is for what I have come here and I will achieve it. There is no doubt about it. Only when you think in that fashion, you will be able to see that success. Take it from me. And life is not easy. Absolutely not easy. आप भले CET दे दो, इधर दो, हर जगह आपको स्ट्रगल है. बट आप जो अभी डिसिप्लिन करोगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ एकेडमिक्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर, इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर को करिकुलर, इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन एवरी स्फीयर ऑफ लाइफ. बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे दीज आर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. परसेंटाइल ऑफ पासिंग वुड बी 10%. हर जगह आपको कहीं ना कहीं 12th के बाद कहीं ना एक पर्सनल इंटरव्यू रहेगा. आप कॉलेज एंटर करोगे, सपोज आपका आर्म फोर्सेस नहीं हो, यू विल एंटर इनटू सम कॉलेज, राइट? यस और नो? You'll pursue something, either engineering or BSc, or you will get into something, some professional field you will get into. Your personality will define your identity in that particular college. ठीक है? So ये जो आप यहाँ पे आए हैं, ये प्रिपरेशन बहुत जरूरी है. Now day one OIR and PPGD. उसके बाद screen out हो गए. Approximately 50% they go home. The remaining people who remain, they are generally subjected to around 2 to 3 days of various tasks, right? तो उसमें से कौन से पता है आप लोगों को? चलो, someone from this side.
Psychology test.
Yeah, psychology test, excellent. Can you name a couple of them?
WAT.
Okay, that is what full form?
Word association test.
Word association test. Can you give an example of it?
Like we will given a word life.
Okay.
And we have to make some positive sentence.
So knife जब आप बोलते हो तो क्या दिमाग में आता है? Cut, right? So that is word association test. Just a simple example. Very good, very nice. Next,
GP,
that is separate, not part of psychological test. Something else? Something called as TAT, SRT, SDT. ठीक है? That is fancy short forms. But how to test? How do I know your psychology? How will I know कि आपका general awareness कैसा है? How will I know? How will you react in the situations given to you? That is SRT, right? So I'll give you a situation that you are walking on the road, you have to catch your train, you have to catch your flight, but you see someone, some accident has happened. ... That situation reaction test. Everyone will have a different situation reaction. Yes or no? Some will stop, some will go, some will take someone to hospital. Everyone is right. Let me tell you, there's nothing called right or wrong. SSB का जो final result होता है, जो conference में होता है, that's called recommended or not recommended. It's not pass or fail. Please remember this. SSB का result is not pass or fail because we do not attach the word fail with someone who is not recommended, because he may not be recommended for armed forces, but that doesn't mean that he is not recommended for so many different spheres and fields of life, right? That person, boy or girl, can pursue their career absolutely brilliantly, but the traits and the qualities that armed forces is looking at, perhaps that is a little below the par. Therefore, you are not recommended by SSB. It's never said fail. ये word fail और pass dictionary में है नहीं. Understood? So that is situation. SRT. You talked about what? WAT. There's something called as thematic appreciation test. There's something called as self-description. So ये आपके psychology test में आते हैं. Right? Then comes your group task. Group discussion zone. A topic is given, you'll be given, say a couple of minutes, 3 minutes, a group of 5, 6, 8 will be there, and then you'll have to, people have to start, people have to talk. Now some people will talk, some people will remain quiet, some people will only listen, some people will shout, some people will be timid, some people will be brave. There are different, ways, and what the observers are doing, observers are only watching. हम लोग सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? कंटेंट उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. आपको भले कंटेंट पे दे देंगे, चलो कि फॉर एग्जांपल आई गिव अ करंट एग्जांपल ऑफ से व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन इजराइल करके मैंने एक टॉपिक दे दिया. अभी आप उसके ऊपर इजराइल जो चल रहा है उधर गाजा स्ट्रिप, पैलेस्टीन जो चल रहा है, कितना कंटेंट factual, fine, I will have a look at it. But what is going to be important for us who are going to sit around on the sides is how confident you are. What's your communication skills? Are you able to put your point across without demeaning the other person? There's a group of 6. How adaptive? If you have to be a good leader, you have to be a good listener. आपको सुनना बहुत जरूरी है कि दूसरा बंदा क्या बोल रहा है. Let's assume that I am part of this 5-6 people, I am the team. You are speaking something, I must listen to that. Only when I listen and when I put up my point, that is the time it will be understood by him that yes, this person has not only listened, I have been able to add on something positively. That is what the appreciation they are looking at, right? So that's group discussion. Then there are some group physical tasks. कहीं पे कुछ फिजिकल टास्क है, कहीं मंकी लैडर है, कहीं टार्जन स्विंग है, कहीं पे चढ़ना है, कूदना है, दैट्स ओके, दैट्स द फन पार्ट ऑफ इट. देयर आर सम ग्रुप टास्क, यू नो, ऐसे 2-3 बेंचेस होंगे, ऐसे पूल होगा, जैसे लोग दिस इज अज्यूम दिस इज द रिवर, यहाँ पे बाढ़ आई है, आपको 8 के 8 बंदे उधर जाने हैं एक प्लान को लेके. So that is where again we are just watching the fun. The SSB people are just watching the fun. How you are, you know, going. आपने कर लिया, बहुत बड़ी बात है, अच्छी बात है, बट नहीं भी किया. इट्स नॉट दैट कि सपोज 8 के 8 क्रॉस नहीं हुए तो पूरा बैच ही निगेट हो गया. नो, इट्स नॉट दैट. आपने उस चीज को अप्रोच कैसे किया? वैसे झगड़ा कर रहे थे, ये लोग पकड़ो बेंच, ये तुम्हारा काम है, मेरा काम नहीं है. Or all of you are constructively doing and you could achieve 60-70% within the given time with no shouting, with not demeaning anyone, with constructive, you know, teamwork. That is what the people are looking at. How good are you? So that's where the group discussions and everything. So what happens? First day आपका OIR check हुआ, आपका PPDT check हुआ, फिर psychology test check हुआ, फिर आपका group behavior check हुआ. You know why is group behavior required in armed forces? Someone बताओ, लास्ट बेंच दिस साइड. या क्यों? हाँ, go ahead.
In our forces when we go, we have to take many much decisions, and that like we take with many of the officers, and in that we must have the ability to first listen and then pass the decision.
Absolutely. So have you heard of any unit, any armed forces unit जहाँ पे एक ही बंदा रहेगा, बंदे रहेगी? No, it's not going to happen. We are always going to be a team. Army, Navy, Air Force is unit, chef, air squadron, wherever you are going, it's always going to be a team, right? So you have to, and the team will be of different seniority, different ranks. It's you are getting prepared for officer entry. So your officer-like qualities, your leadership qualities, your decision-making capabilities, these are the things that are being seen by the people who are sitting around. You know Sam Manekshaw, you know, all of you know Sam Manekshaw. He has said one thing very beautifully. Give me a man or a woman who is not an idiot. ध्यान से सुनो इसको. Give me a man or a woman who is not an idiot and has got common sense. ठीक है? I will make him or her an officer. बहुत सिंपल बात है. And who has said this? General Sam Manekshaw. Give me a man or woman who is not an idiot and who has got common sense. I can make him or her an officer. ठीक है? So we are not looking here for rocket scientists. आपको जब क्लास में कोई भी चीज पढ़ाई जाती है, आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर आके पढ़ा रहे, फिजिक्स पढ़ा रहे, मैथ्स पढ़ा रहे, you must ask yourself as an instructor why. The question why you must ask, not to irritate anyone. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि क्लास में इरिटेट करने के लिए जबरदस्ती पूछते रहो. Not that. Ask yourself why. If your situation awareness टेस्ट ही क्यों और कोई टेस्ट क्यों नहीं? You know, you must ask. When you get that answer, you will get involved in that particular process. Only when you find answers, you will get involved in that process, and it's very important. And last day is obviously now coming to the day 5 is your what? Conference. So that's final interview. उस फाइनल इंटरव्यू में जो बोर्ड बैठा हुआ है, आपका कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, चिट्टा बिट्टा बोलते हैं ना, वो पूरा आपके टेबल के ऊपर उनके पास है. वो फॉर्मेलिटी है. That conference interview is just a mere formality. Just for the chairman of that SSB board to see that जो रिजल्ट ऑलरेडी उनके सामने आया हुआ है, उनकी जो पूरी टीम ने उनको ऑलरेडी आपका मेरिट लिस्ट वो ऑलरेडी उनके सामने है. That chairman is just to see whether that result is 99% accurate or there is a scope for 1 or 2 people to be considered for further. Result already उस टेबल पे है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि उस इंटरव्यू में के बेसिस पे बंदा जो बिल्कुल ही ये सब टेस्ट में एकदम जीरो टाइप का वो एकदम पास हो गया. नो. Yes, there are situations when you have say 2 people, when 2 of you are almost there, you know. It is the chairman of the board president who will ask you some smart questions, and they're looking at answers. They're not looking at fake answers. They're looking at genuine answers. It is good to say I don't know rather than trying to fake it. मैं फेंकने की बड़ी आदत है ना. कुछ तो बोलना है. बोला था कुछ तो बोल के आओ. चेप दो. कोई फायदा नहीं. Because the people who are sitting here have seen hundreds of you people in the last whatever years they are in that unit and doing that job. Hundreds. every 2 weeks there are 300-400 people who are coming. So just imagine, यदि कोई 2 साल का टेन्योर कर रहा है तो कितने बच्चे, हजारों के बच्चे वो देख चुके हैं. So it's like a see-through. They can just see you. They can see your face and they can make out. सच बोल रहा है कि झूठ है. ठीक है? So you guys are here for a very very specific purpose. ठीक है? So I will just write down a few things on this board. You know what is most important is be yourself. ये चीज याद रखना. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है be yourself. Don't try to be her. You don't try to be her. You can observe, get some good points, but don't try to become someone else. Right? That's more important. Because ये जो चीज है बहुत distinctly पता चलती है through your psychology test, through your group task, the way you behave, the way you coordinate with people, the way you are standing, the way your body language is, how you are eating in the mess food, how you are standing when some instructions are being given, how you are wearing your chest number. Small things. It's very important. So you be yourself. That's most important. Next thing is the process. ये जो आप लोग यहाँ पे हो, आप प्रोसेस इंपॉर्टेंट. यू सेड यू आर धोनी फैन, राइट? आई एम अ धोनी फैन. You know, and MS Dhoni, you know why I'm a fan of Dhoni? Because not only about his capabilities as a cricketer, what he says, I really love his punchline. Any of the events, I mean, whenever the presentation is there, whether he has won the match or lost the match, he tells one thing very very distinctly. जाके check कर लेना यदि आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है. He says that the process is important. If the process is correct, more often than not, you will get the desired result. तो आप लोग जो यहाँ पे हो, आप ये जो प्रोसेस है ये बहुत जरूरी है आपको फॉलो करना. आप लोग के जो इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं जो आपको बता रहे हैं, वेदर इट इज ऑन द ग्राउंड, वेदर इट इज इन द क्लासरूम, वेदर इट इज जनरल चिट चैट टॉकिंग, आप लोगों को ये जरूरी है समझना कि आप किस प्रोसेस के लिए यहाँ पे. So you have to focus on your process. If your process is correct, then your results will be there to follow. Right? We will be interacting with them, and we will see that we can have more interactions one-to-one on specific subjects, specific topics. Let's see how we can take it forward. But याद रखना, आप लोग यहाँ पे एक पर्पस से आए. You have not just come here to do time pass in Nashik. Sorry, if that is what you are thinking, then you might as well go back home. You have come here for a purpose. So once you have entered here for a purpose, focus on the process. Ask the question why. Why am I here? And what am I going to achieve by following that process? If your clarity is there, more often than not, your results at the end of your class 12 will be there. Whether it is armed forces entry, or even if it is a CET or your JEE main or advanced, you will get the results. ठीक है, इस चीज को याद रखना. एंड विशिंग यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड डू वेल, स्टे ग्रेट, फोकस ऑन योर फिटनेस, because that's important. Everyone, you have to be fit, and fit doesn't mean that you have to run 10 kilometers or climb 1,000 steps. No, fit means you have to have the endurance and stamina. You must have endurance and stamina. So whatever physical exercises or whatever is your routine, you take it. Don't look at 5 to 6 games period of the PT fallen. Oh, सुबह उठना पड़ रहा है, 5:30 बजे. Oh no, once again, आज थोड़ा सो लेते तो मजा आता. No, don't get into that. Because what you are going to enter after that is going to be a super tough routine. Like you enter as like you 91, you enter, and I joined. So when I joined, I just wanted to be at Goa for my orientation. Like 5 o'clock get up, and you are not getting up by alarm clock or by your mom or dad calling you silently. No, you are getting up with a kick, and you all start rolling after that. You don't even know by the time you have reached breakfast table. You don't even know how 2 hours have gone. But that's where your SSB comes in. That is what they are looking at. How adaptable you are. You can't be rigid. You have to be adaptable. You have to be flexible. Because when in armed forces, that's why it is called as service. It's not a job. You have to be there 24/7, right? आप बोलोगे क्या उधर बॉर्डर में या हमारे शिप जाएंगे नहीं अभी सोने का टाइम है अभी कोई मत आओ होता है क्या ऐसे नहीं होता है बाकी जगह जॉब में होता है इट्स टाइम टू माइंड अ फ्लेक्सी जॉब वर्क फ्रॉम होम सब सुनते हैं हम लोग बट व्हेन यू लॉक्ड आउट यूर लॉक्ड आउट वी कैन लॉग आउट वी कैन नॉट लॉग आउट द वेरी फैक्ट दैट ऑल ऑफ अस आर सिटिंग हियर इज बिकॉज समवन इज देयर गार्डिंग 24/7 समवन इज डूइंग सम प्रैक्टिस आर्टिलरी सेंटर है यहाँ पे there is a firing happening, something or the other action is happening, there are operational patrols happening in air, on land, in water. As we speak, there would be some five warships patrolling in all this area. Couple of submarines in this area. Why? They are there 24/7. उसमें ऐसा नहीं होता है कि चलो अभी सोने का टाइम है तो सब बंद करके सब सो गए. It doesn't happen that, right? So the routine is going to be super tough. So the more you get used to it mentally, adapt to it mentally and physically, the faster you do that is going to help you. And it's not only going to help you if you are entering armed forces, it's going to, mark my words, it's going to help you in any career that you आप कॉलेज में ज्वाइन करो बाद में आप जहाँ पे भी जाओगे आपका ये जो रूटीन रहेगा दैट्स गोइंग टू मेक यू स्टैंड अपार्ट ठीक है सो रिमेंबर दैट ऑल द बेस्ट विशिंग यू the very best for all your class 11 and 12 and hopefully we'll have some more interactions and take it do well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There is nothing much to add. Captain Joshi has covered everything. When I heard about your daily routine, it reminded my days. I'm an alumnus of Sainik School. So you have started doing this in 11 and 12. We were doing it from class 6 onwards. The only difference is your PT is starting at 5:30, ours is start at 6. So we are better off. And more or less the routine is the same, minor differences. I only want to add few things. First is the medium of communication. Whether you like it or not, it is English. But natural when we meet, like you are all from a particular place, Maharashtra, you speak Marathi. But naturally you only speak Marathi. So it becomes difficult when you go to the SSB and there you have to start talking in English. So when I was in school, we had one headmaster, we still remember him, Lieutenant Commander Abraham. He started something called a resolution. He says, all of us, that time I am from Andhra, so we used to speak Telugu. So he said, anyone caught speaking in Telugu among ourselves, so others can note his name and pass it on. So it is a resolution that whenever we speak, it has to be in English. So that all your fears about expression, everything will go off. So whenever you speak among yourself, my suggestion is speak only English. Because it will help you in SSB. The second, general awareness. It is possible either by reading a newspaper, any one English newspaper you can read. You can watch English news channel for 10-15 minutes a day. That you don't need to remember the figures. Nobody is other dates. That is not important. But general idea what is happening in a place. You should be knowing what is happening. This is the second and most important. What we talked about, be yourself. In the present day, it is very difficult to be yourself. With your exposure to so many things. Like for example, the PPTD, you have so many books, so many YouTube channels talking to you how a story should be written. There is no ideal story. Remember, you are to represent yourself. My suggestion to you is, suppose you have seen a particular picture. Maybe in that they show you for half a minute, then they give you 4 minutes to write a story. Not that. In your own time, just imagine if the picture is like that, what story are you making to or trying to write? Think of, that should be your original story, not copied from what you have heard from someone, what you have seen somewhere. It should be totally original. I'll give you my own example. In class 11, we used to join ND after 11, we used to have a mock SSB in the Sainik schools. So we had a complete test, psychology test. So that was the first time in my life they had shown you a picture for 30 seconds and asked you to write a story in 3 minutes. I could not write more than 2-3 lines. Very difficult. That was the first time I was doing it. Then we were given a word, and for 5 seconds they show you, I think, then 15 seconds you have to write a sentence. Remember, when you do for the first time, it will be very difficult. Like out of 50, you could only write 20. But it's not necessary that you have to write all 50. What is important is, what are you writing? They are looking for your qualities, not the proverbs, not the statements. That doesn't indicate what you are. SSB is looking for the qualities of the individuals. So it is mandatory that you are making efforts to show your quality. Sitting quiet, not expressing yourself is also not correct. Overdoing it is also not correct. Okay, so these are all the, I am only stressing on be yourself in the present day scenario, very difficult, but you have to. Because the SSR sitting in SSB, they know the moment one story they read, they can make out that is not original. It is acquired, it is not natural. It has to be your natural talent which you are projecting, not the acquired. Okay. Nothing more I don't think I can add. He has already covered. So I also wish you all the best in all your endeavors, whatever you do. Thank you.